Aerobic and anaerobic respiration, depending upon whether oxygen is utilized during respiration or not, the respiration is of two types. First is aerobic respiration, which requires oxygen, and second one is anaerobic respiration, which does not require oxygen. Let's understand the first one, that is aerobic respiration. The word aerobic suggests presence of air or oxygen. The breakdown of glucose into carbon dioxide and water inside the cells will be taking place in the presence of oxygen or by using oxygen, and hence it is called as aerobic respiration. Here, the maximum amount of energy is released and complete oxidation of glucose takes place. This reaction is carried out in a cell organelle called as mitochondria, the powerhouse of cell. Here we have the reaction. Glucose is broken down into carbon dioxide and water, and a large amount of energy is released, and this reaction takes place in the presence of oxygen, hence it is called as aerobic respiration. Organisms that use oxygen for respiration are called as aerobes, and majority of animals and plants perform aerobic respiration. Moving ahead, we have the next type of respiration, that is anaerobic respiration. Anaerobic, the word suggests that there is absence of air or oxygen. So when glucose is broken down without the use of oxygen, such type of respiration is called as anaerobic respiration. It is completed in the cytoplasm of the cell, and mitochondria does not take part in anaerobic respiration. Since this respiration is carried out in absence of oxygen, breakdown of glucose is incomplete, and it breaks down into ethyl alcohol and carbon dioxide. Here we have the reaction. Glucose is getting broken down into ethyl alcohol and carbon dioxide, and energy is also released, but this energy is very less as compared to aerobic respiration. The entire process is carried in absence of oxygen, hence it is anaerobic respiration. The animals and plants that carry out such anaerobic respiration are called as anaerobes, and anaerobic respiration occurs in yeast, some bacteria, and parasitic flatworms. In anaerobic respiration, breakdown of glucose is incomplete, and hence very little energy is produced. Let's summarize respiration. So respiration is a biochemical process. It involves breakdown of food, glucose, in presence or absence of oxygen. In presence of oxygen, it is referred as aerobic respiration, and in absence of oxygen, it is referred to as anaerobic respiration. The release of energy and carbon dioxide takes place in the process, and elimination of this carbon dioxide also takes place.